the much-awaited game between Silay and Bacolod City. Pero may load ka.
Ako na lang ang nakanda mo. Ulit, kaya makakas na. Nakakalik ko lang pinala.
Versus Bacolod. Boy na boy mo. Ano na rin? Damo-damo tawo di subong. Buta ang gym.
Ano yun? Hindi kita
Tere. Right, first quarter. Oh, tikita mo. Kanami eh. God bless you, boy. Thank you. Hindi naman mo kahit mo. Wala na. Pati ka namin. Kapak mo na. Go, Sinay!
As we call number 17. First, President 5 for C5. Team C5.
Good luck, Sinay! Thank you.
Minus 15 seconds. Last 18 seconds. Number 25, Kobe. First foul, number 25, Sigurd Ryan.
Yan si Joe.
Number 12,
Ay, foul ulit! Ay, wala, foul ulit! Ay, wala, foul ulit!
Saan solution mo? Saan? Last 15 seconds to shoot. 15 seconds shot. There you go. You got like the two.
Outside!
15 seconds shot.
Silay, silay! Go! Silay! Go! Out! Out! Silay! Go! Go! Silay! Out! Ay, foul! Repo! Repo na foul!
Number 14, first block of the game, 4-6.
Ay! Ay! Roll! Go, Kuya! Sige!
Walang basketball.
Grabe, repo na foul rin! Foul! Bunga, ba't ka ninasiksik niya mag-foul?
Number 12.
Sadya niya. Alas kuya! Alas kuya! Alas kuya!
First personal foul, first free throw.
Uy, Zala! Ang ganda na. Wala!
Second hit ng pag-voting, 28. Kaya na sila. Pakulo.
Defense! 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 Come! Ano? Dali! Una, muna na kasi sila mag-foul!
Tama sir. Pero sa score.
Why travel, rep? Oh,
Kids
Paul.
equals.
Why na Paul? Why pa travel?
5 minutes and 30 seconds. Second person foul number 17. 1 for 10. 5 minutes and 30 seconds.
Basta! Oh! Ay, salamat! Natawagan pa ang Diyos ko!
Blue ball. First person 5 first season. 5 minutes and 10 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. Substitution nurse. There's the foul. This time, right? Number 12.
Wala ka pa, Paul?
Coach. Tama ko, tama. Substitution. First personal foul number 12.
Asa tayo ito?
Second team foul on hold.
Bata ko na!
In favor of Bangko. Last 8
Batay,
minutes.
batay!
Number 11 goes to the ring. And Bangko.
Yeah!
What a nice game. Played between Sudan.
Yeah! Yeah! Ito ka! Paul! 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 Go, go, Silay, Silay, go! Silay! 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 Isa-isa, kuya, isa! Ginawa, ginawa!
Coach. Duwanda sa foul. Duwanda. Ang foul siya kanina.
Nice!
Team Silay. Our score 50-17. Along Bangkok.
15-17.
Okay, back to the ball. Basketball na natin ang bola. Last
Damo ka mo ka, niyak Paul lang nga, mo Paul lang kami yak Paul. Ulo. Oh!
Dito lang tayo sa mga bibigay na defense. Kailangan namin yung PNP personnel dito.
Oy! Minit.
Huwag lang yung basta sa inyo mga referee, mga guro sila.
Kuya, yaw yung referee
Tapos dito lang tayo. Para sa success na ating dito lang. Yun ang kailangan namin dito. Yan o, dito. Okay. Kung hindi, mag-dito. Para mag-dito ng officials, palabas namin sa game. Kailangan makita ng referee at iba, ayaw makita ito iba, magkaiba. Hindi katulad. Okay? Kaya ako nakita ng referee, may call to referee. Huwag na lang basta siya ng referee. Okay? Kung ganun ang gawin ninyo, we'll still stop the game. Winner the PNP. Para peaceful tayo. Okay? Kaya yun lang ang kailangan namin.
Minit sila yan.
Naguro kami, iba principal. So what more ahead? Okay? Yun lang. Yun lang ang kailangan namin. Maraming salamat. Okay, thank you, sir. Let us start the...
Grabe ka intense ang hampang. Kinanglan ang PNP sa sulod.
Laro lang po ito, laro lang po ito. Just a game. Play the best team win. Okay? Let us support for the team. Mr. Pablo. Number 30. 2 shots. First personal foul, number 13, penalty. Team zero. Score 30. Time remaining 3 minutes and 39 seconds.
3:39 remaining. The first quarter lang kita. Masadya kang pa. Ay, salamat, Rob.
Brady, holding foul. Blue ball. First personal foul number 20 for blue foul on Taylor. Okay. Number 17.
Master is counted.
Foul on the basket. basket. Number 13, illegal is the bonus two. Second personal foul, number 13, penalty. Changes it up. Bonus throw by number 11 of Mando. They score 20-15 in favor of Mando. Time remaining 3 minutes and 14 seconds. This is still the first quarter. Number 17, the point line is now.
Kuya, kaya na! Ito na na! Go sila! Kuya!
Substitution niya. Okay. Substitution. Yung pasa sa kalaban, number 18. Wow! Transition down, number 28. Number 18. 2 shots. Ano ba ito? Ano ba? First person to foul the team.
Gulo naman si.
First to basket. Second goal, number 18. Good.
Kaya kuya, kaya ka na! Lawit ka! Bantay sa dalong!
Should be Rudy, number 14, Vogel. Rebound number 12. To number 8. Basket from Nathan. Running is back.
Masa!
Number 17. Take the shoot. Looking for Tatum. To number 2. Take the shoot. Violation. Time remaining 1 minute and 19 seconds of the first quarter. Number 20, shoot. Right. Turn around, passing.
Go boys!
50 seconds. There's the fouls. Number 20. Last 49 seconds. Penalty there. Penalty. Penalty.
Go! Silay! Go! Go! Silay! Silay! Go! Go! Silay! Go! Go! Silay! Silay! Go!
Only in three. One more, three. That's 38 seconds. 13. Last 20 seconds. Second personal foul, number 5, and number 12, personal. Last 5 seconds. Last 5 seconds.
Kuya, tanaw mo na!
That's the end of the first quarter. Go basket.
End of first. 17-30 ang score. 13 ang abase ng Bacolod. 17-30.
Our score,
32? Ay, wala ko na-score.
32-17 in favor of Team Bacolod. Coach, register your second five. Game mo, Bacolod. Ano mo na dito? 22, 16, 14, Yes, 7. 4, 3, 4, 2, 4, second one, 0, 0. Seven, 71, 7. First total foul, 7. First foul.
for Bacolod. Guys, kiss ga. Kaladan, load sila.
First personal foul for Obi. Substitution. Time remaining 8 minutes and 19 seconds. Substitution. Time remaining 8 minutes and 5 seconds. Our score 40-21 in favor of Bacolod. Time remaining 7 minutes and 55 seconds. This is the second round of the game. Number 7 is a foul committed by number 1. Zero, zero. 0-0, sir. Ay, sa sunod yung isang ko doon, ay sa sunod doon. Relax na. personal foul number 0. First team foul sila. Okay, second rule. Number 10, shoot. No good. There is a foul. Number 7, pushing foul. Number 7, circle.
21-40 at score.
Substitution here. Second personal foul, number 7 at the goal. Third team foul, number 1. 7 minutes, 14 seconds. Wow. That's good. The eight looking for straight to number 0. Number 0. 10 to shoot. The round bounce. Right back.
Pinapanutlot ng mga players, wala ko.
Straight to the ring.
Hey! Hey!
Foul line number 16, blocking foul. First personal foul number 16. Substitution, sub. Straight to the ring. There's the foul. Who's foul right? Number 7. Hit to the back. 2 shots for number 22. Substitution right. First personal foul. Second group, and number 4. Basket. Score 41-20. Back home.
Hop!
There's a foul.
Ay, salamat.
Touching foul number penalty. Second personal foul number 14. Time remaining 6 minutes and 28 seconds.
Twenty-one, 41. Pingolio on the line. Isa! Han! 21-43.
Time remaining 5 minutes and 44 seconds of the second quarter. Our score 43-21 in favor of Baco. Okay, let's go back to the voting. White ball.
Go, Kyrie! Bingo, hindi ako lumusot!
Number 6. And again, coach up again. 2 shots for number 0. Last 5 minutes and 16 seconds. First person foul number 6, penalty to Baco. Number 0.
Saisa!
Substitution break. Sige, tawa na. Sunod. Last 4 minutes and 59 seconds. Time remaining in of the second quarter.
Silay! Go!
Number 16, holding foul. Penalty. 4 minutes and 42 seconds. 4 minutes.
Go, Bengalio! Usog! Usog.
Number 0. Over again. Number 6, holding foul. Penalty. Second personal foul, number 6.
Go Cordero on the line. Basket.
Basket.
Yeah, kaya na!
Jump ball. Out of position. 1 ball.
Ay!
Gets it back. Number 13. Two shots for number 7.
Parang parasa.
First personal foul.
Oh, why nasa na po? Why? Second quarter pa man lang. Gani.
First score remaining. Time remaining 4 minutes and 24 seconds.
Goberneo!
Foul number 0. Head to head. Sir, excuse me, sir. Ayaw ka flash, sir. Ayaw ka flash. Ayaw ka flash kayo.
Ito pag ito.
Sulaw, sulaw. Ayaw ka flash. Silaw, silaw. Silaw ka flash. The vibration for green. 1, 2, 3. Double for green and Buffalo. Time remaining 4 minutes and 8 seconds.
Asa!
Number 0-0. Hold it. Number 7. Hold it down. There's the foul. Foul committed by number 16. Hold it foul. Number 16. Penalty, penalty. 2 shots. Third personal foul, number 16. Substitution rights. 3 minutes, 58 seconds.
Go Cordero!
Number 14 passing. Second by number 24. Yes, number 20. Looking for the second pass number 24. The one that has good is number 10. Number 7.
Asan!
She's number 30. 0-0. Pass number 7.
Ay!
Number 15. Holding foul.
Ay, second na ni Gali. Sorry, second na ni Gali.
First personal foul number 15.
Go Pingalio!
First serve. Oh, good.
Inay, 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 inay!
Second throw, number 0.
Sorry, second. Second. Relax lang, relax.
Number
Tama naman kayo, inay. Foul naman?
0-0. Blanket foul. Second personal foul. 13 fouls now. Last 3 minutes and 15 seconds.
Ay!
Ball out of bounds. Blue ball.
Daming Aliatok! Nice pass!
13.
Go Cordero!
Hindi malasan.
Up! Outside! Two points lang!
Number 15. No, lima na number 24.
Sorry. Nakalingaw po. Nakalingaw ko tanaw, hindi ko maliso. Nice pass! Ay, ang bot!
Number 15. Holding foul.
Time out? Ano to?
Time out sa pa by Angelo Sprayer. Season block Angelo
Ay,
Sprayer.
lala size na. Diyos ko.
Hindi ka matapos first half.
Let's start now. Number 8 is 10. Pray mo na tayo. Please be quiet for tayo now. May stay I him. Okay, let's restrict the game. Back to the movie. second quarter, time remaining 2 minutes and 17 seconds.
Basket! Aragali!
25 minutes and 25. Rebound number 15, pass number 20 to number 13. Number 14, basket. Time to shoot. There is a foul. Committed by number 15. This foul number 15. 2 shots awarded to number 0.
Robin Gallo!
Time remaining 1 minute and 33 seconds.
Salsa! Ben! Go Bermejo! Go Kyrie!
Using it as Snowden. And the penalty pass to number 14. And a basket, number 14.
Kaya pa na! Second quarter pa lang! Pasa!
Number 20 now.
Go boys! Nice pass! Ay!
Time remaining 55 seconds. Bago siya foul. Ay, sa susunod. Number 13, holding foul. Second personal foul number 13. Substitution guard. Ay, sa susunod ay usapong report sa ako. Last 46 seconds. 46 segundos. Naibilig sa ating oras sa second quarter.
Go Pasilo!
First goal, number 24, no good.
Go Kyrie!
Second goal. No good again. Rebound by number 8. To number 14, the shooter, Kapalo. Number 13, no good. Rebound number 0.
Mira!
To number 8, and the second number 14. Last 10. 5. Our score 56-25 in favor of Bacoor.
May siguro ka, Juan?
Sa concentrate sa mo. Sa karon.
Third na third.
Okay, coach, register your third five. Third five. Punta mo na kayo dito sa harapan register. Talikod na kayo. Talikod. Pakikita mo na ang numbers. Talikod mo.
Na! Tapos na. Mamiti ka pa? Live. Up? Up? Oo. Sport ka.
Okay. Start with the third quarter.
May score saya. May score.
Blue ball.
Araga.
Ayun ang naman.
Ga! Ga! Ga!
Number 29.
Shot!
Over. Number 52, size up. Number 7. Basket.
Ya, tanah bola ya! Kuya!
Number 17. Number 12.
Bakit eh? Talong! Talong!
Saber.
Maaari ka, mo ka na.
And then penalty shoot.
Yeah!
Number 11 to number 7. Number 22 Martin. Number shoot for 3.
Oh!
Ball out of bounds. Good. Substitution there.
Diyos, mag-review na ako. Kulong mo. Ipabak ko na ako. Review.
Ay! Danlog! Danlog!
Ano na, G5.
Number 17. Two shots. Third personal foul, number 17. First team foul sila.
Ay! Nice kaya! Ay!
Number 7.
Bawi ah! Robot! Ay!
Against the foul.
Ulo! Ano ka?
Number 12, pushing foul. Substitution na.
Teka muna lang, repair.
Third personal foul. First team foul.
Kaya ito na mula ya! Man! Sabi ko ya! Man! Ay! Nice, kuya! Ay!
Substitution na. Last 6 minutes and 31 seconds. So remaining in the third quarter. Our score 61-29 in favor of Buffalo. Number 8, number 3. Golden rebound by number 17.
Yes! Nice! Ay! Donde kasaya magsulod ya?
Here's the foul committed by number 00. Attacking foul is hot.
Diyos ko, alas ano ka na matapos?
Number 00, third personal foul. Substitution na.
Para basa!
Yung laran niya.
Signal team foul. Sila. Box number 22. Number 8. Number 10.
Okay!
Inspiration.
Go, kuya! Dito na si Tunoy! Kuya! Bantay, bantay ah! Ah, sige! Ay! Bantay! Wala foul ba?
Number 8 to number 11. 2 points.
Yeah, yeah, yeah!
Last one is 15 seconds.
Go, Kyrie! Go, Kuya! Nice! Kada ma-shoot na reklamo. Yan! Go! Yan!
Substitution there.
Baka na lang turo-turo. Yan, ano na sa'yo?
Shot.
Ano na sa'yo? Go, Silay!
Seconds remaining.
Dan, may aban, sila Dan. Kasama pa sila pa yung reklamo.
Goodbye, number 7.
Hoy!
Time to shoot.
O, reklamo pa yan! Go! Up!
There's the foul. Number 18, holding foul. Blue. Substitution there.
Enjoy the game! Enjoy! Kaya! Dati
Substitution there. Stop.
Ah, beko reklamo bakit si
Last 3 minutes and 59 seconds.
Outside! Dati ka! Gabayoyo!
There's a foul. Number 8. Number 8. Substitution there.
Lo, yun ay. Ako nagaling mga taga-type. Ang galing.
Second personal foul.
Enjoy lang, enjoy lang. Hey! Ya ka na Excuse me, ma'am, kanin ulo. Botige, gabayoyong, tupinggoyong, pinggoyong.
And there's the foul.
Kusog kayo, pe. Tan, kusog kayo.
Number 7, only foul, 2 shots.
Katwais mo
Substitution
ka.
nurse.
Kabataan gani. Kapoy na nila. Huwag sila ka pa. Huwag bala. Gabereng ng tayo ni chicken.
Third personal foul.
Ah, katsentang sila. Enjoy lang.
1 for penalty, Bacolod. Time remaining, 1 minute and 32 seconds.
Go, Mama Dorias.
They're still moving.
Inay-inaya lang. Tan, inay-inaya.
Second place number 00.
Isa pa, isa pa. Uy!
Blue entry.
Ano na sa'yo?
1 round to go, number 00.
Ano na sa'yo? Ano, isa pa. Una lang na sa'yo.
Basket.
Suwang pa lagi mga kabataan. Skandal sa'yo. Oh! Nice, kuya! Nice, kuya! Skandal sa'yo. Order number 3!
Number 20. 1, 2, 3. Last 55 seconds. Substitution break.
Yes, enjoy lang tayo. Enjoy the game. Ah, makuha ka kita. Parang nakakabata. Ah? Chill lang pala kung ma-chill. Hindi ko ma-wall pa kamuya.
Thirty-nine, 39.
Ah, 39? 43 points ko. Best score ko din. Nice, kuya! Nice, kuya! Very good, kuya!
Last 25 seconds.
Ilag yapo, no? Yeah, tanaw mo na!
That's 5. Then there, the third quarter. Our score 69-40. Favor Bacolod.
Super, kuha sila pala yung super reklamo. Sila pala ginapamuyayaw nila mga referee.
Ano na dito nagka-out ka?
Ano na ako niya? Kapansi pa na sila. Walain bala. Kaya kapatian mo pala ginapamuyayaw. Kapamuyayaw sila yan.
Ayun na kayo.
No, private school man ka mo.
Namiyak ko lang sa'yo sa
Singgit pag badam ko to.
Tingin ka, phone na yan. Inala ko sa'yo na. Hotel index. Kasi ka, report.
Yes, enjoy lang tayo. Correct. Mga taga sila, yung manibala nga, ang mga taga tayo po mga coaches. Alright, fourth quarter.
Okay, this is the last and final quarter.
Fourth quarter na. Ge, kuya! Lusota! Ay! Wala ka clearance! Kapoy na sa? Gani bala, correct gid. Gani, grabe nagiguro nga ako kanina. Sa private school man ni sila nga ah. Kuya! Ay, kuya!
Airball.
Sige lang dito yung ano, dako-dako sa ila.
So number 12, nagkakaligot ng bukas. Number 7, basket, and foul.
Sige lang ya! Sige lang ya, kuya!
Foul number 12, bonus.
May game pa ba sila kagina nga dansang aga, wala sila magkapahuwa. Puli lang sila panyaga. Balik naman sila dayon. Wala na dyan. Ikapoy na na sila.
Sila yung silang personal.
Sige lang! Sige lang! Sige lang! Sige lang! Okay lang! Lagan, kuya! Kapoy na gid saya.
Number 29, to the break. Passing to the break.
Pasay chicken!
Number 12. Three, seven, five, last 7 minutes and 15 seconds.
Fourth na fourth. 71-40 ang score in favor of the Bacolod.
Number 22, 2 points.
Nasinulod na tayong bola sa piya ko.
73-40.
Ay, kapoy ang sila. Hindi, kapoy.
6:56.
Ngayon, pang ba sila kagina sang aga, balaya. Temprano pa kami kin pa bugtaw, tapos third game gali.
Time to shoot. 17 just for 3. No good.
Hey, kuya!
There's a foul. Defensive foul.
Gani.
Number
Kapoy,
12.
kapoy na sila.
2 shots is awarded to number 12 of Silay.
Gina pa na sa gatwa sa area na bereng na bereng na duro.
Insert below, insert. Paki-insert na below.
Chow! Tuck in, chow in!
Number 14 and number 12.
Chow king, tuck in! Chow king, tuck in!
14 and number 12. Insert your jersey.
Chow king, tuck in!
Huwag niyo kalimutan mag-tuck
Tuck in!
Guwapo kayo ng mga. Number 12 po, Bacolod, you are already
Silay versus Silay.
foul.
Puros mga sa taga Silay mong gapo. Saita! Eh, kuya! Oh, kuya! Ginawa, ginawa! Yawa na sa kadlagan.
Number 20, pass to number 7. To number 8. Back to number 20. The good thing is
Oh! Dapat siya ba?
Substitution here. Sub.
Kapoy-kapoy, naging sa'yo.
Substitution. Last 14 seconds to shoot.
Dua ka bracket. Bracket A ka bracket B. Ang bracket yung glass ng basket. A. B ang design. Negros occidental sila. Ito tayo dua man. Dua ko ang semifinals. Hindi pa. Katatlo pa nga din sa sila ikaduwa sa tayo. Umilang pa kami sila sa kagal, ya. Guys. Ito, duwa pa man ang sige lang ah! Sige lang, guys! Go, Russell! Go, Russell! Go, Russell! Go, El!
5 to shoot. Seconds violation. Substitution there.
Kaya kaduanin nila nga game.
Last 3 minutes and 47 seconds. Go out of bounds.
Ay!
Substitution.
May ano pa na yung semifinals, mga duwa ka team, bracket A, bracket B, tapos crossover. Bale, may semifinals ang B sa A, B sa A. Go, El!
This guy niya sa Palawan. Number 8 goes to the rim of the basket. 2 points for the 8. I was 4. Second to 7:41. 2 more. Nakulit. Time remaining. 3 minutes and 5 seconds. The last and final
Go!
game.
Nice, Russell! Una pa lang nila ka pwede. May duwa pa sila ka game.
First row number 15, 16.
Nice, Russ!
Second row number 16.
Evo! Duwa ka bilog pa on sa bracket, sa ila bracket, bracket A, bracket B. Tapos ma-crossover. Ayan.
Side row number 5. Ang bilis na po. Ang kalmaro.
Ala! Ala!
Dr. Green. Ay, guys.
Pasachaw!
Last 1 minute and 53 seconds.
Ay!
Number 18 at Mama Lace. Hindi na pumasok. Hindi na dito yung number 18. At ang ginawa.
Gawa kaya na! Nan!
Pumasok at sa pangalan. Number 9. Yun ang bangsa ng tinig. Basket and foul. Goes to by number 25. Last 1 minute and 27 seconds. Bonus 2 on number 25.
Gawa Nice!
4:45 to 29. Kasama ng assist ni Kuya. Number 18 tayo.
Ay, nga kung lado ko dutod mo man.
Last 55 seconds.
Op!
Around 25.
Ayan na po! Op!
Last 40 seconds.
Vargas! Gia! Oh!
Foul. Number 6. Pushing foul. Penalty. Last 33 seconds of the last one final ball. It's blue.
Anom sila sa Sabra.
Last game, prepare for prepare.
Ay, ano to? Ay.
Last 33 seconds. Negros Occidental versus Kabangkalan.
Next game, may neck-off na kagabang kalambo. Diyos ko, Gab, pinabala.
Last 20.
Oh.
Is a foul. Number 8.
May last game pa, Kabangkalan versus Negros Occidental.
Penalty.
Lashit, di na pala. Pila na ni ka-oras ang ako niya live. Oh, manugduwa na ka-oras. Ito.
Number 8. Third person foul. And so the second only.
Basket.
Last 14 seconds. Last 10. 5.
Teka lang, di para lang din mag-i-obey. Congratulations! Bacala, final score 81-46. Thank you so much sa naglantaw. Thank you guys for support you guys. My last game pa, Negros Occidental versus Kabangkalan. Watch ka mo kay Mac Bros.
Kabangkalan versus
Thank you. Sige lang guys. Pauway. kagina bala. Ang bota. Aga pa kami nagbugtaw.